Hello again YouTubers, Mr. Fitz back again with another quick how-to video and Galaxy Gear how-to video. How to quickly access the phone dialer app from the home screen. Now, just before you all scream out, yeah, it's already on my home screen. It is on my watch, that's because I've got mine customised, set up that way. But you can have all sorts of things on the home screen, not just the way it appears on mine. So if you haven't got yours set up with the phone dialer, this is how you would access it in a hurry. Swipe up from bottom to top, and there we go. Just show you that again. From the main screen, swipe up, there's the phone dialer, so you can possibly phone the emergency services or input that phone number you've just been given by a friend on a piece of paper. So, go back, swipe down, back to the home screen. It's Mr. Fitz saying, thanks for watching this Galaxy how-to video, how to quickly access the phone dialer when you're in a hurry. Thanks for watching and bye for now.